The promo store on 1xBet is like a marketplace where you exchange bonus points for rewards. How it works? Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Every time you bet, you earn points. So to find them, go to the promo store from your account. You need to go to menu, other, promo, and here go to store. Perfect. Use points to unlock free bets, promo codes, or bonuses. It's basically a loyalty program. The more you bet, the more rewards you can claim. So guys, actually, that's it. Make your bet, earn points, and use them.